question. Okay, so here we are given in the question that is 15 cot A is equals to 8, and you have to find out the value of sec A. Okay, so 15 cot A is equals to 8, so we can write that cot A is equals to 8 by 15. Okay, so it is going to be 8 by 15. Now you can take a constant along with that integer, along with the values, so 8k by 15k. Okay, where you can write that k is a constant. K is a constant. So we can take these kind of things. Now, again, if cot A is equals to 8 by 15k, since we also know that cot A is nothing but B, so when we are drawing a particular right triangle, then cot A, let's say this is the angle of A, then cot A is base by perpendicular. So if this is the base, okay, and this is the perpendicular, so ABC, let's say this is a triangle ABC, this is a right triangle ABC, in which base is BA and perpendicular height is BC. So accordingly, you can write that base cot A is nothing but base by perpendicular is equals to 8k by 15k. That you can write after understanding it. Now, again, since we have base and perpendicular, we don't have one thing, that is, we don't have the hypotenuse. So what we are going to do is, we are going to find out the value of hypotenuse. So how can you find out the value of hypotenuse? Let's say the value of base is 5k and perpendicular is 15k. Then what is the value of hypotenuse? By using Pythagoras, we know that hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So accordingly, we will be finding out the value of it. So perpendicular is 15k to the power whole square plus we have 8k whole square. So now 15k, that is 15 into 15, we will have 225, and k square, that is plus 8 8 is 64, since we know that, and we have again k square. So after adding we'll get 9, and you'll get 8, 289, 289 k square, and again you have h square. So when you find out the value of h, which is hypotenuse, you can get under root 289 k square. Accordingly, 289 is the square root of 17, so 17k is the value of hypotenuse. So accordingly, we have got 17k is the value of hypotenuse, and 8k is the value of base, and perpendicular was 15k, right? So since we have gotten the values of all the three angles, now we are going to find out the sec theta, that is secant of angle A, which is sec is nothing but opposite of cos. So cos is base by hypotenuse, sec is hypotenuse by base. So here I'll be writing hypotenuse by base. So if the hypotenuse value was 17k and the value of base was nothing but 8k, so my answer is going to be 17 by 8. That is your answer.